So how can you add the Notes widget on the iPhone unlock screen? Let me explain how it works and let's get started. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one, right? But yeah, there are some things you should know about it. First of all, there isn't like any official Apple Notes widget, right? So the way that you can add a note on the lock screen is either by replacing the camera or flashlight icon at the bottom. So you can just bring your notes in here for quickly accessing them, right? That's pretty useful. It all gets the job done, but like it's not really a widget. So the official Apple Notes doesn't have a widget. Some third-party applications might have that available, so you can hold down on the, of course, lock screen to just get to the customize and everything, but you need to tap on the add widget and browse through all of the apps which do have one of the widgets available, right? So it might be something completely different, but I guess you can display some of that. However, if you quickly want to just show like a piece of text, like a line or, a sentence, whatever, I would recommend you to get an app from the App Store, which is titled Any Text. So this app has literally been designed with that purpose. So using this application, you can set up a couple of like text shortcuts or whatever that is, and you can place it as a widget on the lock screen. So if you quickly just want to see some text in there, perhaps like a reminder or something, you can add it to the lock screen through this type of application. So let me know if there is something very specific which I did not cover in this video. Let me know about it, but I believe that the Any Text app will solve a lot of people's problems because it just works well. So let me know if it did help you out. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you later.